Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my new purchases from Cleef Arpels. If you like this type of video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I actually made these purchases before the price increase in June 1st. Yes, Cleef actually had another price increase in June the 1st, 2021. I actually have one item that is on the wish list for really long, and I was not able to get it because there is out of inventory because of a pandemic. Their inventory is very low across board. So I know that there is a price increase gonna coming up, so I happened to stop by the boutique before the price increase and I actually pick up these earrings. So yes, it's an earring. This is not the one that on my wish list. So my wish list is actually the Ganesh one, the yellow gold Ganesh earrings. That's the one that I really want to get because I have a bracelets. It's the vintage Alhambra bracelets. I have the ones with diamond and also the Ganesh ones. It's over like here. So since I have my necklaces here with the diamond, so I want to have a matching set. The Ganesh earrings just to match the whole bracelets and the necklaces situation. But unfortunately, I have been waiting for this Ganesh earrings for, I would say, for the past 10 months, but they wouldn't be able to get it and they cannot order it either. So this is the kind of very special pieces that they don't allow special ordering. So I have to wait whenever they got the in stock. But since I wait for so long, they didn't get it, and then I happened to see these new earrings. Once I tried in the boutique, I fell in love with it. The reason that I could not do unboxing because there is no boxes to unbox, because as soon as I walk out from the boutique, I have it on. So this is how much I love it, and I'm gonna quickly show you what it is. So I still have everything with me. So this is the bag from Cleef, and everything is actually from these boxes. The assist actually didn't do the ribbon for me because she knows that I'm gonna use it right away. This is the packaging for Cleef Arpels. And we're gonna open it up together, and I actually put the earrings back to these boxes, but I just want to everybody guess what it is. So let's open it up here. Okay, so here we are. So this is the vintage Alhambra earrings, yellow gold with mother of pearl. I know I always tell you, I always feel regret I didn't get my first piece, mother of pearl. I just feel like this white color just go with everything, and I speak so much. I have the malachite one, I have the gold one, I have the diamond one, and I also have the red one, but I just don't have the mother of pearl. That time in the boutique, I think it's just the right timing. As soon as I tried it on, I loved it. I also tried the red one on. I almost feel like I'm gonna get the red one before I actually go try it on in the boutique. I feel like today I'm gonna get the red one if they don't have the Ganesh one, because I already know that they don't have it. When I tried the white one, I just love it, and it goes with everything. I never regret it about it. The look of it, I want to get a really close look just to show you how the back looks like. I'm gonna open it up. So this is the French clip, is how they call it. This is the back for Cleef for this earring. So how you put it on is that you just simply put it through your hole from here, and then you just push it back. This is how they close it. Very close look just to show you guys. It's very easy to put it on and off. Well, I have to tell you, it's very comfortable on my ear. Even though I tried it on for 5 minutes in the store, I loved it. I don't feel anything, but I have to tell you, since I got it before June the 1st, so it's been almost 3 weeks now. I use it a lot, and it's definitely a very good pieces to go, but it is heavy. At least to me, I feel it heavy. So every time I put it on for the first 1 hour or two, I feel okay. But if I use it for the whole day, let's say if I go to work in the morning and come back in at night, when I take it off, I feel like my earring, I will feel a little hurt discomfort. I just have to be very honest with you. It's not something that's really light and you don't feel anything, because I used to have those gold earrings on my ear for quite long, and since they're gold, so I never took it off, and every day in the morning, or I never took it off every time I go home. I just keep it on for shower and throughout the whole day, 24 hours. That's how I use my gold 18K gold jewelries. But this one, it's quite big, so when you put it on your ear, you will feel the heaviness. So nevertheless, I really love these earrings. I actually use many times, even though I only got it for 3 weeks. I try to use much as possible so that I can give you guys some good feedbacks. So the style wise, it's just matched with everything, and it's comfortable for the first 2 hours. But unfortunately for me, this size of earring, the weight, I feel like it's a little discomfort with me if I wear it for a long time, and definitely this is not something that you can wear throughout the night. I'm gonna quickly put on and show you what it looks like on me. So this is how it looks like on me. So it's yellow gold with mother of pearl. This pair of earrings, it just goes with everything. I never find a situation that it just does not fit. So there's no such thing. I still love it. I'm planning to have this on today while I'm going outside. So loving these earrings. If you want to find a pair of earrings from Van Cleef, I think this is the most classic one. You should consider this one the first. I always feel like mother of pearl is so boring. Everybody has it, but you're gonna to have it. There is a reason that everybody has it. So actually I have another pair of earrings. It's on my Rita. Is the one with the drop. So they have the vintage size on the top, and they have a drop with the bigger size, the magic size motif. I want to have that one. It's so cute. I feel like it's just so cute, and with the little dress, that one is just perfect. But because my feelings might get discomfort with the one, but let's put it this way, that one is more for a situation like where you have to wear dresses. I would highly recommend that one. I think that one is more formal, while you will see, and this one is more, you can be casual or you can be formal. So I still thinking about that one as well, but for the situations, this one you're definitely gonna have more situations and to go than the other one. The other one is more like a show off, I would say, or just when you have a prom, when you have an event, then I would definitely go with that one. But like a dinner date, I can go with that one. But for day-to-day use, I would highly recommend the vintage one itself. It's really cute. But don't get me wrong, I might add that into my collections. Let's see. I will definitely let you know if I finally decided to add that one in my collection. And another thing I want to share with you is that for the Perlee bracelets, I have mentioned in my previous videos that I am considering adding the Perlee bracelets in my collections. Not now. It definitely takes time because this is a very high priced pieces, but they actually coming up with a thinner version for the Perlee bracelets. I'm gonna insert the pictures on the screen. I thought it's very cute. I haven't seen it in person yet. They coming up today. They released a whole new thinner collections today, so I cannot wait to actually go into the boutique and see the real one, and I'll let you guys how I feel. So if you have any questions, comments and suggestions, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.